Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to greet you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Claudia, and although I seem very real, I'm not. I'm actually an avatar created with artificial intelligence by one of the thousands of freelancers on Fiverr. You still don't know Fiverr? Let me tell you about this wonderful tool. Fiverr is the #1 platform for freelancers in the world. On Fiverr, you can find the right freelancers for that task or service you need. On Fiverr, it is very easy to find a professional in any type of service you need. And to give you an example of the thousands of services that you can find on this platform. Today, I come to make a very special recommendation. It is one of the most popular Fiverr services, which people have used the most around the world, and I can bet you that you will surely need it at some point. For please continue watching the video. What comes next will be very good. We all have a relative, a friend, a partner, or a loved one in particular who is about to have a birthday. We are waiting for a special date such as an anniversary, Mother's or Father's Day. Can you imagine surprising them with a funny, warm, and creative video greeting, a birthday or anniversary message on video? It will surprise your loved ones a lot, and it will make you look like a very cordial and original person when it comes to expressing yourself. Well, for those special moments, there are many freelancers on Fiverr with that specialty. That's right, on Fiverr a few clicks away. Simply by putting something like Happy Birthday Video or Anniversary Video in the search box, you can find who you like. You can give a video greeting or animated video to make that person you appeared so much feel special. Wait no more. Get your Fiverr account today. There are many ways in which freelancers from all over the world can help you.
For
I
you.
invite you to go to the link in the description and register right now on Fiverr.